Greetings. Ngiyabulisa nonke bakwethu. Chayengwe lo thethayo umbona ukuthi uMandlana udla umvubu ukhipha ukethe. Singasemfene. Abayaliwe amlak Herusekemang kamuntu. Namhlanje besixoxela nomfowethu la. Sathi hayi awuthi le nkulumo yethu singayixoxi sodwa nani sinifake sihlelele la ekhaya nomfoka amanzini la sathi hayi let's include you in our conversation. We are going to talk about the dangers of religion, ubungozi benkolo bakwethu, because I think that's the most crucial thing in our society right now. But before I go further, ngicela ke samukele nangu-ke umfoka Zungu.
Nami ngithi ngibingelele balaleli nababukeli ekhaya. Igama wakuzalwa umphikeleli Riot wakwaZulu. Manzini ugwabile inyama engashesha ngababhebhezele phethe umuntu umubi wentombi phethe uManda ngaphakathi. Ngijabulela nokumenywa abakhaliphi lana sizukhuluma lolu daba lolu lengosi nempumelelo engabe khona enkolweni phecelezi religions phecelezi foreign religions. So yeah, ngiyabonga ukubala kule podcast ngalolu daba lolu.
My Lord, we have a problem in society, a very serious problem in society. Kunendawo la eMabopane, eMabi, mohamba laphayana, it's a street. Kule strata lesi, there's more than 20 churches. Different churches in one street. Sunday, ifiyaskho lapha festival. Abanye bayale. Yebona le ngoma le abanye bayangale, abanye bayangale, abanye bayawela. You can stand there in the morning on Sunday and watch it happen. Abaye baya ngapha, abaye baya ngapha, abanye baye tavern ekhoneni. Listen, more than 20 churches in one street. Where the street begins, with a tavern. In the middle of this street, there is a tavern. At the end of this street, there is a tavern. I can take you there and show you. Nkolo. What has religion done in our society from your perspective?
Hey. I think asikhulelanga endaweni eyi-one. Siyabantu abanye bakhulele emapulazini, abanye bakhulele edolobheni, abanye bakhulele ema-suburbsini, bakhulele emikhukhwini, yabo, abanye bakhulele emakhembini, abanye bakhulele ey'tradini namapaka, yabo. But i-religion into engiyibonile labantu laba njengoba babuya endaweni ezidifferent so ayibahlanganisanga. And sikhuluma ngale sonto le ngale amasonto ayi-20 sibuyele lapha esitrateni esi-1. Why ama-20 amasonto ayi-20 esitrateni esi-1 if uGod uyi-1? And God is one. If God is one, doesn't have a color, and then why 20 churches
in one street.
in one street? And then there's taverns
In the
between. Why we don't ask ourselves why there's a structure like that? Obviously, a structure like that is structured by someone. It can't just be a structure like that because there's 20 churches, number 793. Someone structured that nonsense. Why he structured that nonsense? He's gonna make money out of that nonsense. Like abantu basendaweni ewana abaphume yabo. Usuka la esontweni wendlini yogeza uye tavern. Uphuma etavern uye endlini uyavuka endlini uye kerk. Like that's what's happening at that time. So religion abantu aba-under the anti-religion abanye emakhaya kuma-society into engiyifindile yaliwe emakhaya abantu bayabophisana kunama-court order kunama-what. And all those people, they are religious. They attend churches bonke laba bophisanayo. Akekho ufuna ukuconfessa ukuthi wrong. While there's someone wrong, but akekho ufuna ukuthi hey, I'm wrong yabo ngicela ungixolele yabo ngingakumosha lapha. Everyone instead wenzani, he goes and pray kuGod wakhe ukuthi amxolele izono azenze the other person, while the other person angazi nokuthi uhambile wayoxolisa kuGod wakhe. Mina ngisalindele yonke ukuthi awangimosha kabuhlungu kanje mfethu awukezixolisa, but when you believe ukuthi uGod wakhe ukuxolele, uGod wakhe uxolele izono noma zingabanjani noma zingababofu
kodwa ukezi kimi mina muntu ommoshi.
So meaning I'm nothing to you. Because why I'm nothing to you? We are not under the same religion. Mhlawumbe you find out ukuthi ngirasta or ngimuslim or ngumsethi like onto efambile ngami ukuthi hayi akekho lapha. So i-danger ye-religion emakhasi mina ngiyibonile mntakababa. Isonto alwanceda ama-drug addict, alincedi muntu isonto. Instead isonto liyagaina imali from these people. Baconvince ukuthi kumele uyikhiphe tight. It's a must. Enye indlela ezokusiza ukuthi ubonakale ungene ezulwini. Emhlabeni lana kumele ungabi na next because ezulwini
una yonke into.
And nayi into ebuhlungu ethi yonke into lapha ezulwini imhlophe. Imhlophe yonke into ezulwini. Kuyaculwa kuphela ezulwini itrati igolide. So my question is, why singavele sezulwini? Why must suffer if really that God yasithanda lo lapha ezulwini? Why doesn't just take us siziyele ezulwini siphila kamnandi?
Asibeke emhlabeni ukuthi sitesteke.
Like what, for what?
All right. What I'm hearing from you is this. Religion somehow isucceede ekuthenini isivale ingqondo. Singasacabanga singabantu.
Someone who's on a religion in a community, mission yakhe ile. People, they must not think out of the box so that he can profit. That's what the church is doing. People must not question. They must believe. It's all about the belief. Don't question. Faith is a substance of evidence of But we go in reality. Asibuni leyo nto. Because ebusuku ama-churches are empty kunabantwana abalele estradini. So asiboni umsebenzi wesonto. Sikhuluma ngobusuku kuphela, sikhuluma ukuthi labantu bahlale lapha the whole day or the rest of their life. Sithi ebusuku amasonto empty kunabantu abalele estradini. Angazi into engiyikhulumayo into enzima i-rocket science. Like ebusuku amasonto empty kunabantu balele estradini. And then you come to me into yase deep level uthi ngikholwa ukuthi isonto indawo right.
Whereas lilala li-empty.
Mina ngikhuluma into engiyibona right through. Ngiyathengisa mina. I'm a musician. Ngihamba ngestoke eJozi. Mangidlula a small street. Khona small street and old GP street. Kunesonto. Cathedral or what likhulu. Li-empty. Kunabafana abalele lapha eceleni lapha. Yabo. And then when ufuna ukuthi mina ngikholwa ukuthi le ability le abanikazi ba right. Like in their minds. Bantu aba right. intentions zabo zi-right ngalabantu abahlala lapha eduze.
Kwasho bani lo mfana kaBob Marley lo ibani uJunior Gong uDamian wathi you have money to take people to the moon but you have no money to feed the starving in the community.
So uthi sithi the education system le ye-science enenkolo phakathi i-right. The education system like because manje siney'ntwana ezifuna ukuya kumuntu phela naso. And iphi isho esinayo ukuthi bayile kumuntu labo bantu.
Iphi evidence
You believe. They made us to believe.
iphi proof yaleyo nto?
Akuna proof. Siva bathi. And then kuthiwa kumele sivume ngalento siva. Nayi i-problem ye-religion esibhekane nayo madoda. Siyi-community.
Awuthi sizwe la. Awuthi sizwe la. His Majesty Haile Selassie says, the temple of the Most High begins with the human body, which houses our life, essence of our existence. Africans are in bondage today because they approach spirituality through religion provided by foreign invaders and conquerors. We must stop confusing religion and spirituality. Religion is a set of rules, regulations, and rituals created by humans which were supposed to help people grow spiritually. Due to human imperfection, religion has become corrupt, political, divisive, a tool for power struggle. Spirituality is not theology or ideology. It is simply a way of life, pure and original, as was given by the Most High. Spirituality is a network linking us to the Most High, to the universe, and each other. As the essence of our existence, it embodies one, our culture, true identity, nationhood, and destiny. A people without a nation they can really call their own is a people without a soul. Ngizoyibamba la.
Yabona? Yasiva the speech majesties. Like asifuna ukuthi usihlaziye kakhulu.
Siyazikhuluma.
Siyachazela ngani? Nge-problem ye-religion. Abantu ba-confuse i-spirituality. Basi-approacha ngendlela ye-religion. Abafuna ukwenza i-spirituality kuna-religion. Bene-religion. Nazi ingozi ze-religion. Ubonisa ama-politicians, they are using religion to conquer the masses. Okay. Sine case la, Donald Trump, there's a country called Niger. He wants to go there and save a Christian. Ne? He's saying statements like, our Christian brothers are being attacked. We must do something about it. The question is the first time I'm a Christian attacked on Klabi? Okay. No. Why? Now I answer. Why Donald Trump want to go and help those Christians? There's uranium.
There's uranium, there's oil.
He wants that thing.
Yeah.
So the only way you figure out ukuthi avele as someone ogodly ufuna abantu bakaNkulunkulu bangalimali. Ayikho enye indlela angavela ngayo. Akavele as a president, that is a politician, we've got this strategy. No, these are our Christian brothers. Bayabulawa. So we are here to save them. So baba save ngani beza namasotsha.
Bazobulala abantu.
Azokhempa lapha, azobulala abantu balapha. In the name of
Jesus Christ.
Ayiqali lento lelo ngalifunda lonke iBhayibheli lesibini ngoba uGodwa lapha eBhayibhelini sekakhipha ama command kubo Moses ukuthi ubulawa ama firstborn wama Egyptian. So akusinto entsha le. There's been slaughtering alo eGod lo. We've got the case as Sodom and Gomorrah whereby people they were made to believe kwaba kwanimvula yetswayi. Okay. While we know good Abraham attacked those people with a sword and slaughtered the wicked, and he gave Linda's Tatela, but the spoil, we call them the spoils of war. Present them to Melchizedek. We have a proof. No, we have a proof.
Yeah.
So, akunanti religion yenza my brother a better for abantu. As the statement says, religion yona beyizilethelwe iman mayiqala if angistart i-religion endlini yakho ukuthi le ifamily yami ibe grand ayase next door nabo people but manje sekuba into engasese personal manje sofuna ukufaka everyone ufuna ukutshintsha umkhize manje ayibe into zakamkhize uMabhena ahlukane namandebele
sekenza into zakini manje
manje azoyenza ezalapha esontweni uMabhena lo waselisuthu namele into zesontweni which is makahleli naye one ngengcondo yakhe ephelele lezi zinto lezi ziyamhlula because akuseza kibo unento zakibo so i-society yethu isengozini ngendaba yesonto akakasabi ukuyisho lento le isonto alisincedanga nga-next for years namasonto amaningi emalokishini wethu kunesinye istrategy elokishini lami akusibiza i-Church Street akusonto inyakanyaka lapha eMpalo ungena yale nje yamasonto yabo manje elokishini still kusabhenya Crystal Met bantwana married like isonto akunanto eliyenza instead isonto likhuluma indaba yokuthi
na inkinga yami mina wena Gwabini na inkinga yami mina Gwabini every community ayinasonto inama sonto every community does not have a church it has churches there are still families who go to bed hungry
in that community
with churches. There are still children who sleep on the street in those communities.
While the churches
are churches
taking money.
Okay. But now here's the thing. Every Sunday or Saturday, money is collected from those communities. And that money goes to the church. Umsebenzi wale mali yini?
Umsebenzi wale mali icacile mfethu ubenefita lona oqale le religion. Whoever ophezulu lapha. Uyo usingayombuza ngale ama records wale amali ukuthi iphelelepi. Laba abanye abazi. Unfortunately. Laba bayikhiphile abazi ukuthi yephi imali yabo. Umuntu owaziyo uloya. Kunemunye umuntu abambiza treasure lapha esontweni. Uyowaziyo lo secretary yibo abaziyo and then abayasaba ukukhuluma yabo ngeke bakhulume because they can lose that position bafaka umunye first you can lose that position in the church first once you want abantu basebenzisa ingqondo yabo siyakususa
once
wafuna abantu basebenzisa ingqondo zabo
once people use their own mind
yes they become themselves
once they become themselves
yeah
they become enemies
yes
yazi I personally know a bishop of a big church he spends his time on cruise ships. He spends his time in expensive hotels. He spends his time traveling the world. And only when Christmas, Easter, or big festivals, he's available for the church. Now you tell me, when he's on a cruise with his wife, is he serving the church?
No, there's no way. Remember now, this guy hamba nensiza yayo.
Okay.
Yabo? Hamba no madam. So there's no way ukuthi ngacabanga ngalabantu abasokolayo lapho.
Ngike ngaya kwenye indawo wena Manzini la ibelabela la. La ibelabela la ayibo. La ibelabela lana ngihamba noMamthembu nabantwana. Ayike sihleli bayaswima abantwana kumnandi ngithi ngiyobraya ke sizodla lunch. Yabo? Mangihleli kule braai stand wena Mabhena ngibeka inyama. Kufika igroup yamadoda ayi5. lamadoda i5 lawa abraya kule price stand eseduze kwabo. So obviously the conversation yabo, I'm going to hear it. I discover that these motherfuckers are all pastors. Abo pastor lapho. Omunye ubishop, abanye abo pastor mara abafundisi. All right, bagcoka ama short pen bazoswima nabo. No problem, nami bengizoswima mos nabantwana bami. I'm not going to judge them for having fun. But here's the problem now. Sebakhuluma ke manje. They're having a conversation amongst themselves. Ne? In this conversation, the other one says, this is why we don't bring our wives to such things. How? This is why you don't bring your wives to such things. I'm listening. Yeah, because if you bring your wife here now, we are not going to be free and be able to enjoy ourselves how we want to enjoy ourselves. They're discussing amongst themselves. And abafundisi laba ne? While they're discussing, a group of girls, 5 women, come there. You see, man, age group from 21-ish, 22. The eldest, Ule 5, is about 27. Bayafika labantombazana laba with their camp chairs. Now they're sitting around the price stand. Oh, so yabona ke manje ukuthi oh labafundisi babambile lapha.
So lama girls ezekulezi
Bahamba nabo. Kudliwa inyama, kuphuza utshwala. But now what happens is these are priests with wives. They are sitting here with 21-year-old girls, 23-year-old girls. And they are discussing amongst themselves, ukuthi, this is why we don't bring our wives to such things.
they are doing that because you remember i-religion yabo ithi ukodwa wena noma izona noma zinje. So ungaqhubeka wenza izona, God will forgive you, akuna problem. Can leave your wife, hambe namantombazana lapha, buye endlini kusasuye esontweni nithandaze nabangani benu uNkulunkulu usixolele izolo singamjaji.
Ngoba ngithandazile ngaphakamisa izandla.
Yes. Who are we to judge? So we are saying that guy is the guy kumele ali the community. That guy ushiya umfazi wakhe lapha eyohamba nabanye abantwana lapha emanzini abancane. Are we saying that guy kumele simgaye phela amandla ukuthi no abantwana bethu ba safe with that guy? That guy uzolala nabantwana bethu.
Benzani kanti abafundisi?
We've got cases. Asikhulume into kwama hearsay. Yes.
There's
Cases.
Legal cases.
We've got bhantintayo bekwabafundisi bekwabapastor because of this thing. Because remember now they're abusing that power, so they feel like they are powerful, they are untouchable.
Ile nto sile sayishoyo ke athi, but because of human weakness, religion has become a tool for power struggle.
We've got a story, we've got cases like David. David, but is a friend of God. David, uyabona intombazane yakesi, umuntu wesimame yakesi. David ukhalela loya muntu. Itori esizifundayo ngisho in their books, ne? But he knows ukuthi umfazi kayele. So for him to get that woman,
Kumele ngisuse le out.
he commands ukuthi uyele wabekwe kuphi in front of iwall. Obvious more in front, ama-chance okushona i-99.99. Unless ufana nathi unamanye ama-skills.
Unama-skills wakho.
Yeah. Unfortunately, that guy bekanga nama-skills lawa wethu. He dies so that the guy can sleep with that woman. Uyibona religion ikuphi? This guy, remember, is like God's favorite son. Let David.
Isho neBhayibheli, the apple of God's eye.
No Jesu ubiza indodana kaDavid.
Yeah.
So we are not against it, but angeke isize ayisizanga.
My question is, all right, religion ayisizanga, religion isimoshile, no problem. Here's my question. How much did we have to sacrifice in order to be religious?
Now, that's the saddest part. Like now we're going to the saddest part, I'm preaching it. Remember, it's my opinion. I'm not saying like that's what everyone should, but I know we feed your brains is spanagash. Like the saddest part is to sacrifice ourselves. We sold our souls to gain that vanity.
You sold our souls
To
gain vanity.
Vanity is
Manzini.
going to heaven after you die, suffering here on earth. My question is, yawuthi hlala emkhukhwini onembobo ilala ingadlanga. Usho ukuthi mayibhoda isaya komunye isikhosini isikhoko. Yawuthi behlala emkhukhwini onembobo lothi ilala ingagawulanga ayinebhathu. Usho ukuthi mayigalaza khona la isaya khona isayotsha. Kula kutsha lokuya. Mina lutho beyisogola le ndoda siyayazi mina nawe. Ela kunamuntu oyincedile.
Phambi kwethu siphi?
No sibhekile so kunamuntu oyincedile singaqamba manga. If kunabantu ekumele bagwetshwe for le out yithi. Akusisondo rubani like sonke siyibonile le out yasogola. Sibhekile kanje everyday. Elehlanyaleli. Everything. Mina sigayile out na siyakeni ukuthi ihlanyaleli.
Na inkinga la. Our Father who art in heaven, la singazikhona, where nobody knows. Hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come. Thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Let's take that prayer as a serious prayer. Who is on earth?
That prayer from day one, ngathi mangizwa ne, ngoba sifundiswa umthandazo ngafana ngithi le prayer mana. Prayer lena mina kimi le prayer mangizwa. Le prayer ikithi angiphile la emhlabeni. Angihambe la emhlabeni ngithole zonke into engizifunayo. Engiziplana la engqondweni yami. Ingqondo yami is my heaven. I want a strong car. I want a lot of money in my bank account. I want a good woman. That's heaven to me. That's my heaven. My children, they're getting whatever they want. That's my heaven. I don't know about someone else's heaven. I'm not in their minds. I don't know what they are planning. But me, my heaven, ukuthi mina ngibena leza zinto nabafethu abaseceleni ngathi bangaba nazo leza zinto so that ngazi ukuthi mangithi ngiyovakashela uAbba ngiphethe ama present, ngiphethe something. Like that's my heaven. My heaven ukuthi ngithi imntaka baba manje man 10,000 la ngaso yenza. Like that's my heaven. I don't know ngomunye umuntu. They are praying ngayithatha ngayidibanisa nami.
But mongayilalela le prayer. Ngifuna ukuhamba nawe. Our Father. Uyazifaka nawe lapho. What in heaven?
Yeah, iyabuyiza lapho manje.
In your mind.
Yeah, in my mind is the heaven. The Our Father up to now. Anghamsane our Father. Our Father. Everyone know Father wakhe. In my world where I come from. No, ngifuna abantu bangi-understand ngikhuluma ngami la ngibuya khona. Akunamuntu wabantu bonke la ngibuya khona. Wonke umuntu unobaba wakhe. Nalothi akamazi babakhe mara unaye baba.
Unobaba.
Akazanga nje leyo siyayazi proof. Akunamuntu ovela nje wonke umuntu uza ngobabakhe nomama.
Njani ngoba amakholwa bathi uNkulunkulu uJehova ubaba oyintandane. Indoda yabafelokazi.
Hayi lo baba lo angim-understand imphetha kanjani abafelokazi manje bathulala nabafelokazi.
Ya bonke abafazi abakhe. Ayinakwalala nomfazi kaJoseph. Wazala uJesu.
Yeah, uyabona manje ngidlayile confusion yangibamba ngisesemncane le azange ngiyithole namanje sangibambile ukuthi bayazwa bathi uJesu mama akho ukhuliswa umoya oyingcwele ne after that bathi uJesu baba akho uJoseph vela ivuma uJoseph lena after that ngiyazwa bathi indoda kaDavid confuse lapha athi yabona manje namanje ngifuthi 6 years ngisabathi uJesu kahle kahle kulesa story lisubaba bakho bani ngoba ngizwa amajita amaningi lapha ngizwa uJoseph ngizwa umoya oyingcwele ngizwa uDavid ngikhuluma ngambe yabo angithi ayikho lesa story ngikhuluma ngami sengisebenzisa ingcondo yami ephelele ukuthi uJesu ubani ke kwaba
uphinde kube khona uJoseph wase-Arimathea owamthatha wamngcwaba emathuneni wakibo
yabona
so kahle kahle ubani ubaba kaJesu
bheka-ke ne Joseph Arimathea manje ne kuvela enye indoda abathi Simon of Cyrene. Simon Cyrene enye indoda ebambisa isiphambano sakaJesu amasoja wamaRoma. I-answer yami why akhetha ukubambisa le ndoda should beyifana naye ngekhala of
emnyama phela iSirene la eAfrica
le ndoda le usho ukuthi mina angiboshwanga phela nje ngikhuluma into engiyini bebangeke bambise le ndoda isiphambano kanti bokuyindoda yalapha enyikhala bathi bambisa lo mngani wakho
bambisa umfweni
lo mfweni lo kusho ukuthi le ndoda yiyo ke emnikisa emathuneni kaJoseph of what because mina ngazi le ngiyabona ukuthi le ncwadi yezitori ziningi kanjani ziyachintshwa because kune Old Testament kune New Testament ne manje kunelinye iBhayibheli abantu abangalazi abaningi ngingafind abangibabuza ngathi abalazi another New King James Version in honor of Queen James. King James was apparently called Queen James in some high courts.
Yeah,
because he was a boy lover.
He was a boy lover.
Yes.
Yeah.
So there's no way ukuthi ungathi ngakhuluma lento leyo. Kumele ngikhulume ngayo because other people abayazi. He was a boy lover. The guy who obhalwe lapha ku King James Version.
The King James Version.
And masifunda ezinye incwadi lapha ema-library. Mina ekhaya kungase library yabo. Masuke library ekhaya house number 7. So an opportunity to get library every day and go research. Angikhulumi hearsay. Masithola lapho uyafind ukuthi hayi man i-religion abantu abeza nayo la was to take the minerals. The religion la Africa zange letshelwe nyinto was to take the minerals. Telling these black folks to forget about the minerals. They won't take you to heaven. But them they are taking the minerals. And they make a formal structure.
Kimberley Diamond.
Bega Kimberley ne lamathema
Diamond.
Lamathema seKimberley alikho neliwana ke lapho umfazi wayo iring ene diamond elimanyana so
mara bonke bakhupha idiamond
lapha eKimberley kunenye train bro kunenye cargo endlulayo lapha esasibuzana ngayo njalo mangene eKimberley safana ukuthi le cargo i-community ayazi nokuthi yini lendlula la elinye lama mineral amanye angadumanga angagcwelanga ngathi bathi mangarize or bathi ngalibiza nje indlula da every day but those workers they are not getting money from that thing but they only getting paid imali diamond. You go to the northwest platinum mines they are not only abstracting platinum, there's platinum, there's chrome, there's other minerals but those guys are getting paid for what? For platinum.
Angithi bathi labanye ama-byproducts.
They make you to believe that.
Yeah, abhalwa kanjalo ukuthi ama-byproducts.
You believe. But why they would make uMakalanyana underground ahambisa ama-byproduct? Waste time ngama-byproduct. uMakalanyana yonke into ayithathayo lapha, there's someone who's going to make profit. Ngayo. uMakalanyana awuthathi waste lapha. Isiporo lesa siyadura siyagamuka mina isilungise. You understand the process lapha my brother? It's like strong many billions lapha my brother. Kunebhande lambisa iplatinum. Like there's things lapha my brother. But someone who's in a religion made us to think ukuthi it's normal. uNkulunkulu ngisizile ngathola umsebenzi.
Angithi bathi it's going to be hard for a rich man to enter heaven.
No. Bathi nembobo enalithi inkulu.
Nembobo enalithi inkulu kakhulu. Here's my problem. right singakhuluma sithi hayi Christianity
kusho ukuthi
nenkolo
abo-TV jakes angeke bangene ezulwini. They are religious guys and they are Christians. Should ngeke bangene ezulwini. Okay, Franklin, you can sing gospel for the rest of their life. They won't go to heaven according to that religion. Ishile religion.
Which a rich man can't go to heaven.
According to that religion, heaven funeka abantu abangana-next.
But now,
Why kufuneka abantu abangana-next bazokwazi ukumanipulate bacontrolwe?
ngiza lapho.
Ayikho enye into. You can't control someone oney'nkomo.
Nginyanga mina.
Ungacontrol inyanga eney'nkomo.
Ngike ngafikelwa umuntu la. Ubaba umdala futhi. Baba umdala. This old man says to me, angifuna ukuhlola. I know what I'm here for. Ngithi, all right, what are you here for? Athi, I have a church. Ngithi, okay. Athi, now the problem is my congregation is going to another church. So i-congregation yam iyancipha. The money I used to make every week is going down. Ngithi, all right, so how can I help you? Uthi, no, the church they are going to is a student of mine. I raised him, I taught him the church. Now he went out and opened his own church. Now the people here in my church are going to him. All right, how do you want me to help you? Uti kimi, I want you to get rid of him and then bring those people back to my church and keep them here.
So how to get rid of him?
Nyambuza ke, how to get rid of him? Uti, no, even if you can kill him, it's fine. This is a bishop.
So even that motherfucker dies, it's good.
Yeah. So that he can keep his church.
That guy, that nigga must die, so these ones, he can come back. And also he must keep them.
And keep his pocket.
And he's willing to pay. Lord.
No. He put 9,000 in front of me in cash. That day, I don't have petrol in my car. My fridge is almost empty. I have to fetch children at school. I have to pay school fees. Lo muntu begi 9,000 na pamugwam. Cash. 9,000. I didn't understand whether I'm being tested or tempted or examined. I don't have petrol in my car. The fridge is almost empty. I have to fetch children at school. Lo muntu begi 9,000. And he says to me, if you do this, every month, I'm going to give you 9,000. Me and you are getting into a partnership.
So every month, 9K.
9K every month in my bank.
And that 9K comes from those people.
That 9K comes from that congregation, not from his pocket.
No, doesn't have that money. Taking it from this apparatus.
I had to ask myself, if I take this 9,000 a month, I have to kill someone, one. Two, I have to manipulate and control people to go where they don't want to go.
For the 9K.
For 9,000.
Monthly.
every month 9,000.
Hey, that was temptation.
And this is a priest, a bishop.
Uyayiva ke manje as much as bazothi ithi siza nalento but uyasiva leso story ukuthi sikuphi nge-religion. A man will do anything ukuthi religion yakhe ihlala ikhona. Uyazi na ufuna someone must die. So that because we will realize ukuthi abantu ukuze barob nikele into le.
Angitsiyazi nokuthi abonjivana baphuma abaningi ba amapastor.
Akubalela bona mina. I just don't want to do that but ngakubalela bona.
Sibazi ngamagama.
Yeah, baqale lento bayiqale ejele bayibiza izifo.
Okay.
Yeah, in system so izifo. Sebenza ngengqondo kuyizifo. Nama emotions, nama feelings. Yes. More soft vele azizifo zikubamba fast. Ma uyibeliever. Azikufuni ungasibelieve. Lezi zifo. Zizotshela nabanye abantu we dangerous ngakhona. Awuna uNkulunkulu. Nobusathana. Ziyalapha. Zithandaze nokuthi ngathi ungalimala solo zizothi uyabona amandla kaNkulunkulu wethu. Sesamthandazela thina sidlalanga.
Yeah, ama all night prayer. Iko.
I-religion. So i-religion ayisizanga ngalutho.